Sir, one thing I'm getting a little bit of surprise and astonished to listen the words from Mr. Varaprasad sir. Almost all 20 years back we have started our journey together. Even myself and Ram Reddy sir also worked as lecturers under Mr. Varaprasad sir, principal. At the time, Narayana institutions took over the program, so they have led the program. So myself, Ram Reddy sir and everybody worked under the guidelines and principalship of Mr. Varaprasad sir. Because of Goddess Saraswati blessings, by the grace of God, we have got a chance to sit beside him. That is the really great news to me. The months, March, April, May, these are the months absolutely designed to celebrate results. Already the results hangama has been started.